Welcome you to this comprehensive guide on the 25 most influential AI engines of the year, 2026. My name is Rima and I am AI trainer created by Mr. Manish. So today we will explore the core functions and the practical limitations of each one of those tools to help you build a smarter workflow. Here are top 25 AI engines on which today we are going to discuss about. Let's begin with the section 1, which is the large language models, called LLMs. We begin with ChatGPT. It remains the powerhouse for multimodal reasoning, advanced coding across multiple languages, and the ability to build custom GPTs that act as specialized experts for your specific business needs. However, keep in mind its limitations. ChatGPT can still produce hallucinations, confidently stating false information, and its context window can sometimes lose focus on details in very long documents. Next is Google's Gemini AI. Its strongest asset is its massive 2 million token context window and its deep integration with Google Workspace, allowing it to pull data directly from your emails and docs. On the downside, it creates an ecosystem dependency, and its safety filters are often much stricter than its competitors, which can sometimes block legitimate creative prompts. Notebook LM is a researcher's dream. It is grounded entirely in the sources you provide, and it can generate a human-like audio overview or podcast summarizing your specific data. Its limitation is its focus. It lacks general world knowledge outside of your uploaded files, making it unsuitable for broad, creative brainstorming. xAI's Grok provides real-time access to the global conversation on X. It is designed with a more rebellious personality and excels at analyzing trending news faster than any other model. Limitations include its paywall, as it requires an X Premium subscription, and the risk of noise, as it often processes unverified social media data. Perplexity is the gold standard for conversational search. It provides real-time web answers with clear citations, ensuring you can always verify where the information came from. However, it can sometimes provide surface-level summaries rather than deep reasoning, and its accuracy is entirely dependent on the quality of the top search results. Anthropic's Claude is celebrated for its artifacts window, which lets you view and edit code and websites in real time, and its highly nuanced, human-sounding writing style. Its main drawbacks are the lack of native live web search in some tiers and fairly strict message limits that can disrupt long work sessions. DeepSeek is a rising star for developers. It offers high-performance coding logic and open-source models that give tech teams more control and lower API costs. Its limitations include a less polished interface and a creative writing capability that doesn't quite match the elegance of Claude or ChatGPT. Now Section 2, Design and Productivity Tools. Here is Gamma, which revolutionizes presentations by generating entire decks or websites from a single text prompt, featuring responsive designs that look perfect on any device. While fast, it offers limited granular control over pixel-perfect design elements, and high-quality exports require a paid subscription. Julius acts as your personal data scientist. It can execute Python code to analyze complex spreadsheets, create advanced visualizations, and solve high-level math problems. The limitation here is the learning curve. Users need a basic understanding of data principles to prompt it effectively, and very large datasets can cause timeouts. Midjourney remains the leader in cinematic AI art. It offers unparalleled visual fidelity and tools like character consistency to keep your subjects the same across multiple images. Whether you are using the Zoom Out tool or the Vary Region tool, Midjourney provides the most granular texture control in the industry. In a 2026 workflow, Midjourney acts less like a software tool and more like an art director that can provide 1,000 concepts in the time it takes to brew a coffee. Its primary friction point is the Discord-based interface, which is non-intuitive for some, and its continued struggle with long, complex strings of text within images. Ideogram is the master of typography. It is the best tool for creating posters, logos, and graphics, where text needs to be rendered with absolute precision and style. However, it often lacks the deep artistic texture found in Midjourney, and editing specific parts of a generated image can be difficult. Notion AI integrates directly into your workspace. It can answer questions about your entire database of notes, summarize meetings, and automate project tracking. Its limitation is that it's a walled garden. It cannot easily see or use data outside of Notion, and the per-user cost adds up for large teams. Loom AI enhances video communication by automatically removing filler words, generating chapters, and creating summaries for every recording you send. The AI features are heavily dependent on audio quality. If your microphone is poor, the transcription and summarization will fail to be accurate. Todoist AI helps you conquer big goals by breaking them into small, actionable tasks, using natural language processing to understand your deadlines and priorities. It is strictly a task manager. It cannot perform external actions or execute the tasks for you, and its logic can sometimes be too rigid for complex workflows. Now coming to the section 3, which is audio and automation. 11 Labs is the industry leader in voice synthesis. It offers instant voice cloning, multilingual dubbing, and speech-to-speech that preserves the emotion of the original speaker. Limitations include the ethical risks of deepfake misuse and the high cost of credits when producing long-form content like audiobooks. One more important piece of information. N8N is a powerful self-hostable automation tool. It allows technical users to build complex AI workflows with node-based logic, keeping data secure on their own servers. It has a very steep learning curve and requires ongoing technical maintenance, making it less suitable for non-developers. Make AI offers a visual automation builder with over 1,000 app integrations. It is perfect for creating AI agents that monitor your business and take action across different platforms. However, you pay per operation, which can become expensive at scale, and if an external app updates its API, your automation may break. Now let's talk about the last section, which is section 4. The video revolution. OpenAI quote S Sora is a breakthrough in video, generating 60-second clips with consistent characters and realistic physics that follow complex camera movements. Its primary limitations are limited public access and extremely high rendering times, alongside occasional physics errors in complex scenes. Google's Veo provides cinematic controls for video generation, understanding film terms like time-lapse or Dutch angle, while generating matching background audio. Veo is largely targeted at enterprise users, meaning it can be expensive and has very conservative safety filters that limit certain creative choices. Higgsfield AI is built for social media. It allows creators to use character mirroring, where you act out emotion and the AI character copies you exactly. The trade-off is lower resolution than cinema-grade engines and a total dependency on their proprietary mobile app. Kling AI is famous for its realistic human motion, particularly complex tasks like walking or eating, and it can generate longer continuous clips than most competitors. Users often face very long queue times for free generations, and the user interface can be difficult for non-Chinese speakers to navigate. Runway ML offers motion brush and director mode, giving creators granular control over exactly which part of a video moves and how the camera pans. Limitations include occasional morphing, where objects melt into each other, and a high subscription cost for professional features. Luma's Dream Machine is one of the fastest video engines available, excelling at following complex text prompts with high visual accuracy. However, it can suffer from motion smearing in fast scenes, and physics can sometimes feel floaty or unrealistic. Pika Labs specializes in style and sound, offering built-in lip sync and automatic sound effects that match the visual action in your clips. Its visual clarity is often softer than Sora or Kling, and it is currently limited to shorter native clips of about 4 seconds. Finally, Hagen AI. It is the gold standard for AI avatars, offering digital twins that can teach your presentations in over 175 languages with perfect lip syncing. The limitations are the uncanny valley, where avatars may feel slightly stiff, and a credit system that can be costly for high-volume video production. That concludes our bunch of 53 slides, deep dive into the AI engines of the year 2026. Thank you for watching this video tutorial created by Mr. Manish.